Hey legends, and welcome to our channel. We are Matt, Sarah, and Zeppelin. And for the past 7 years, we've been living the dream, exploring every nook and cranny of Australia in our Willow Boab caravan and cruising in Fuzz, our Fuso canter. In this series, we're taking you along the stunning West Coast to answer the burning question, is West really best? Let the adventure begin. Welcome back to another episode. Last time we left you hanging at the stunning Davenport Creek after our beach camping plans went south. We ended up camping at a gravel pit near Penong for the night, and the next day we took a quick 15-minute drive to the stunning Lake McDonald, which is a pink salt lake. Just a heads up, the road is unsealed but suitable for all cars. If you're looking for that perfect Instagram moment, however, Lake McDonald isn't pink all year round. Its colours range from shades of pink to white to blue, with the best time to visit being on a sunny day.
By tomorrow, don't worry,
Alright, so we're not having much luck. Today's a new day. We've come down to check out Lake McDonald, which is the pink lake. At the moment, from a surface level, it's just like blue. But when you pop the drone up, it does have that pink hue. However, I accidentally crashed our drone, so thanks to John and Sylvia for letting us borrow theirs. But yeah, it looks like we're going to be crossing the Nullarbor without a drone. So it might be a little while before we get it fixed.
So we keep moving along. Dropping down a Cabo in the sunburned El Dorado. Don't worry, that's the motto. So we keep moving along.
Well, it was the biggest windmill back in 1732, maybe. Wait, maybe if they put them all together, it makes the biggest windmill, because there's so many together is why it's the biggest.
Oh my god. Well, yeah, another thing to do in Penong is check out the world's biggest windmill.
Not the world's
Oh, sorry, not the world's, Australia's.
Australia's. There's no way it's Australia's. I've got pictures of its bigger ones for sure.
Penong seems like the final frontier for anyone journeying west. It's one of the final places where wheat is grown before you reach the big, empty Nullarbor plain.
So, this is Sarah's first time. I've been across here once. Telling her to make the most of looking at trees, telegraph poles, fences, grass. The next few days there'll be none of that.
I'm so excited though. I'm really pumped for the journey. I may not be saying that by like day 3 or 4, but yeah, pretty excited. No, there's one.
Definitely didn't expect to see any flooding along the Nullarbor, but there's a couple of days ago they reckon they got pounded with rain.
Truth about the one I love left me back in 91. They say it was the reason
Alrighty guys, we are driving, well Sarah's driving, first time towing the van in the truck, about the third time driving the truck. Please pray for me. Sarah.
I'm doing fine.
You're doing fine, you've only been driving for 3 seconds.
You're looking
God help me, God help me, God help me. All's good. We're 2 minutes in. We're still going alright. Watch the road, Sarah.
I'm watching the road.
Watch the road, stop looking over here. There's a car coming, Sarah. Look guys, there's a car coming. She's gonna crash. Okay, we made it.
It's a dead straight road. I can't be doing like, I can't be that long.
Well, we've done over, I don't know, 60 k's or so on this road, and she's not going too bad actually. Just needs to learn the rep range a little bit for the gears, but other than that,
Well, I mean, at this point, we are still in one piece, so that's a good thing.
a few down changes that cleaned out the cobwebs. Not that I thought there was any anyway, but all good.
After a quick stop at the Nullarbor Roadhouse, we turned onto a dusty dirt road to explore some of the lesser-known sights the plains have to offer. The Nullarbor Plain, resting atop a massive limestone slab, has many caves and blowholes to discover.
Locked in my head, romanticizing forever. Last love I found leaves me the ground and all my roses died. Swore I was through, but looking at you, I think I changed my mind.
How you going back there, Zeb?
Not good.
Not good. How you finding the bumps?
Hard.
What about you, Matt?
I don't know. John told me there's a cave. I think he's full of shit. Sarah's going to jump in, guys, and see if she can climb back out. Come on, Sarah, you can do it. Well, we are. Where are we, Sarah?
Okay. Off the Nullarbor.
And it's very different.
It's like a big hole in the ground.
Yeah, hole in the ground.
But you can feel the ocean breeze.
You feel the ocean
Yeah,
breeze?
you can feel the ocean breeze. Like you can smell the ocean, even though we're heaps inland.
Very good. Oh, here we are. Round and round and round.
I should be running away, but so what, whatever. Oh, last love I found leaves me the ground.
What are we going to go see, Zeppelin? A bigger hole. Hey, let's go.
Rush looking into your eyes, playing it off like it's different this time. Let's break our hearts for the fun of it. One look and I'm dying to run the risk. I'll live in your head for the rest of your life. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Oh, won't you be my
They're getting more and more aggressive. Bigger and bigger.
bad idea. Oh, but every time I see you, all reason and logic cut their losses. Yeah, let's fall in love for the fun of it. Dive in at first.
Alrighty, so today is a new day. We just stayed at a rest area last night, just west of the Nullarbor Roadhouse. Now, we've woken up this morning and it's pretty miserable, hey Matt?
It's very, very miserable.
Yeah, so raining, there's been some lightning, a bit of thunder. So yeah, we figured stuff it. We'll just drive today, charge batteries up and go check out a few things. But yeah, it might just be a slow movie day.
Some more blowholes,
Yeah,
caves, and we're going to go along the old air highway. Check out a few things, the old roadhouse and that maybe along there. And then come back to Bunder Cliffs. And we might be given a new perspective on Bunder Cliffs with lightning and pouring rain.
In the next episode, we tackle the air highway after a heap of rain and check out Thunder Cliffs and the rest of the Nullarbor Plains and what it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.